motion sensors that'll stop you from getting wet. However, I am wearing a poncho just in case there is wind and the water could splash onto my hair, which we really want to avoid. So let's go try it out. Water swing experience, and although there are sensors that'll know when you're going by, try not to make you wet. There is still a lot of wind, which, I mean, obviously we can't control the elements. So I did get a tiny bit wet, but it's okay because the sun is shining and the weather's amazing.